Hello, dear children of class 4, and welcome to yet another online class of general knowledge. Dear children, today we are going to do the 13th lesson from your GK book, and it's a very interesting topic. Most of you already know about this. It's emojis. Emojis are also known as emoticons. Emoticons are mostly used in our daily cell phone conversation when you are conversing with somebody on WhatsApp or Facebook, right? And you want to express your feelings. You want to express your feelings, like if you're feeling sad or if you're feeling happy, surprised, angry. For everything you see, instead of writing a long sentence, all you have to do is there are certain faces, yellow colored faces with different facial expressions. All you have to do is click on one. Even on Facebook, right, alongside the like button only, when you press it hard enough, many emojis come up, many emoticons come up, and according to the situation you can click on one. So today we will be learning about various emojis and what they express. All right, so we'll start by drawing and working on it. All right, let's see. First one, number A. You have a round face, right, and the eyes, right. Then you have a smiling face, but most importantly the tongue is out. The tongue is out, right? So what is this? Okay, which emoji is that? This is emoji with tongue outside. Tongue outside. And what it shows? Hoping to eat something delicious. Okay, emoji with a tongue outside. Now whenever it's the tongue is out, it's normally an expression that it is the expression of taste. It is the expression of having or eating something delicious. Okay, then you have number B. Number B, round face, same type of eyes, right? Same kind of smile, but most importantly, it has hands on both the sides. Hands on both the sides. So what this emoji stands for? Hmm. Emoji with hands. And what it expresses? Wants to hug you. Okay, this emoji is an expression of hugging. When you want to show others that you want to hug them, maybe your parents, maybe your big brother and sister, right? When you want to message them that you want to hug them, right? You need to send this one. Then comes number C. Two eyes, round. This is different. But most importantly, instead of a mouth, it has a zip. It has a zip on the mouth. Okay, instead of a mouth, it has a zip, and that zip is closed. So this is emoji with zipped mouth. Means stop talking. Okay, emoji with zipped mouth, and it's an expression of stop talking. So once again, as you can see, there is no space. I'll have to rub the board. So before rubbing the board, let's revise these three. Number A, emoji with tongue out. Okay, emoji with tongue outside, hoping to eat something delicious. Then comes number B, emoji with a smiley face and two hands. Emoji with hands, and what it means, wants to hug you. Then you have emoji with zipped mouth, circular eyes and zipped mouth. Emoji with zipped mouth means stop talking. When you want to convey the message to others that please stop talking, you need to send them this emoji. Alright? Then comes number D. Then comes number D. Number D, emoji, big open eyes, big open mouth, okay, and a set of teeth. All right. And a set of teeth, big open mouth. This means emoji laughs with joy, laughs with joy, and has an open mouth. Okay, emoji laughs with joy and has an open mouth. This emoji shows happiness. This emoji shows joy. This emoji shows laughter. When you are very happy about something, when you are very joyful about something, when you feel like laughing about something, like anything, you use this emoji. Then comes number E. Okay, number E, round face. This emoji has eyebrows, but they are down, and even the mouth is down. Okay, but most importantly, entire emoji, okay, is covered in orange red color. It's a combination of orange red color. All right, I cannot color and show it here, but entire emoji is in the color of orange and red. Okay, but look at the facial expressions. This emoji actually has eyebrows which are down, small eyes, and most importantly the face is frowny. Face drawn downwards is a sign of frown. So this emoji with orange red head, orange red head means being angry. When you are very angry about something, you use this emoji, this particular emoji. All right, it conveys that you are very angry about something. Once again, I'll tell you about its facial expression. Be careful, children. Eyebrows will be sliding down, eyes will be short, almost closed, and most importantly, it will not have a upward slanting face which shows joy. Instead, it will have a downward slanting face which shows frowniness, which shows anger. All right, and this whole emoji stands for being angry. Then comes number F. This emoji has eyebrows upwards, okay, big eyes, very big eyes, and in center a smaller eye, right? And this one will be short, the mouth will be short, okay. So it has eyebrows but up. The characteristic of this emoji is that it will have very big eye, and in center there will be smaller eyes. When do we make big eyes, dear children? When we are surprised to see something, right? When we are shocked to see something. So this emoji is shocked. This emoji is shocked, with eyes open, with eyes wide open, and red cheeks. Red cheeks. Of course, I forgot to mention it. This part will be red, okay. Just under the eyes, the cheek part will be red, and it will show the expression of being shocked, like it's written here. Emoji shocked, with eyes wide open and red cheeks. All right. So before rubbing it, let's revise once again. Emoji laughs with joy and has an open mouth. Big eyes, open mouth. Next one is emoji with orange red head, means being angry. This emoji shows that you are angry. And number F, emoji shocked, with eyes wide open and red cheeks. And red cheeks. All right. Now moving on to number 7. Number 7. This particular emoji is very unique because in place of eyes, it has heart. In place of eyes, it has heart and an open mouth. Alright? In place of the eyes are heart shaped. The eyes are not round or small or large. Instead, they are heart shaped, red in color, and the mouth is open. Heart shaped, red in color, and mouth is open. Emoji only sees the heart in love. Okay? Emoji only sees the heart in love. This is the reason the eyes which see, they are heart shaped, because it only sees the love in the heart. When you want to convey that you can feel their love, okay, in your heart you can feel their love, you need to use this emoji. Heart shaped eyes with red color and open joyful mouth. And then comes number H, the last one. Okay, this particular emoji, instead of eyes, it has sunglasses. Okay, instead of eyes, it has Sunglasses, black sunglasses. Okay, dear children, instead of eyes, it has black sunglasses. Means eyes are there, but they are covered with black sunglasses. And emoji with sunglasses. Sunglasses sees something, sees something totally casual and cool. Okay, this emoji wears sunglasses and it refers to looking at something which is casual and cool. When you find something casual, when you find something very cool, you use this emoji, the emoji with sunglasses, to convey it. So today, children, you have learned about different emojis and what emotions they convey. All right, now your work will be to draw and color. I'm telling you, draw and color different emojis in your GK book, and also write their description as I have given it on the book, as I have given on the board, as it is mentioned in your book. All right, dear children, thank you very much. Stay safe.